Hey, what's up guys? Widge the Wiz here. Today I'm going to be working on my new commuter car, my 2009 Chevy Aveo 5. Alright, now I just got this car, right? And as a used car, usually there are things you have to do to fix it up. Now, within 500 miles, mine started having the coolant thermostat issue, which is very common with these cars. What happens essentially is the thermostat will cut out, your temp gauge will drop to 0, and the car will start flashing hold on the dashboard. Now what that means is that the car has gone into what is essentially a limp mode, and the transmission, if you shut the car off and restart it, will only stay in 3rd gear when driving, of course. Now to replace it, it's actually super simple. All we have to do is take 4 bolts out of the block and replace the thermostat. 2 pins, of course. So today, I'm gonna walk you through how to do that. All right, here are the tools you're gonna need. Alright, now that the radiator is draining, we need to remove these 2 connectors from the thermostat. To release the first one, pinch the safety retainer and pull back. To release the second sensor, use a flat blade screwdriver to pull back on the gray tab until it clicks, and then squeeze the tab down to pull out. Now that the radiator has drained most of the antifreeze out of the system, there still will be a little bit, but now we need to remove this main hose from the thermostat. So because the hose isn't coming out easily, we're going to remove the thermostat and see if we can remove it afterwards. To remove the thermostat, you're going to need some special tools. This is called an inverted Torx. Yeah. This is called an inverted Torx socket. And the size is E10. Now we can pull the thermostat out from the block. Wow, that's in there pretty tight. It looks like around the thermostat there's some really nasty stuff. Trying to do this without tearing up the hose. Nobody likes torn up hose. starting to come now. All right, there we go. That's out. It's probably gonna... So here's our old one, and here's our new one. These Duralasts are supposed to be a significant upgrade from the factory thermostat. You can see that along here they have the gasket pre-inserted into the new one, so we should be okay to just install this. All right, let's take our new thermostat and begin installing it by placing it into the block and holding it in loosely with our first bolt. Now, with most things on cars, you want to install the bolts in a crisscross pattern to ensure that the part mates flat with the mating surface. And go grab my other bolt. Next, let's reinstall our connectors. Let's start with the one that goes into the engine itself. Plug that in and then push forward on the gray tab to lock it in. Next, take the gray clip and plug it back into the thermostat, or into our new thermostat. Okay, cool. Let's reinstall our radiator hose. All right, nice and snug.
Probably gonna have to start it and run it and let it put the thermostat.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully now you have the ability and the knowledge to change the thermostat on your Chevy Aveo. And I gotta tell you guys, it's working pretty good now. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe out there. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.